You heard that?
What? Yeah.
It had a little pop there in the shift. Oh my God, this seat. This car is so dirty. All right, boys, as you can see from the title today, we are taking the X5 out for a drive. M550 is gone for now, but we'll be back soon. Oh, you know, that video is going crazy.
Yeah.
It started going, the one with you. If you guys haven't checked that out yet, we did 2 videos with my girlfriend here, and she went crazy in the M550s. I was actually shocked.
Yeah, I actually love it. I'm thinking about getting one.
Don't get another 550 yet. This guy just popping out like that. Oh, that thing just tossed me back into the lane. This thing got the driver assist on.
It's so strong.
Yeah. What's that shaking in the back?
The hangers on the seat.
Oh. Still not used to driving SUVs.
You're still not used to it?
I'm used to being much lower to the ground. It's just like not.
I hate the ground.
It's not as bad as the first time because I drove this a few times, but.
I just feel like you see more.
Yeah. So I don't know what it is about the X5, but for some reason a lot of people look up this car or are looking for it. Keeping lane. Look at this, guys. Let me show you this. See that? It's so aggressive. Okay, so like I was saying, these X5s seem to be looked up a lot. Seems to be in high demand. I compared like the search numbers of an X5 versus like other BMWs like the M5 and you know 550, the 3 Series, 340, 330, all those, and the X5 is one of the highest. Crazy, I don't know what it is. I put this in Sport Plus, man. I can't do this comfort
This
mode.
is my 5th one.
5th what?
X5.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So what do you like about the X5?
They're just strong and heavy and all the corner, you could go any speed.
What?
Yeah, like the cars. It's like the car.
Corner any speed,
Go any speed and take a corner. You sit down.
In this?
What?
I mean, that's like a generic
Man.
BMW thing, but to the it can't be to the
It's
extreme
right.
because
It's good. It's good like that.
what's the fastest you ever take a corner?
It's so heavy, you know?
Mm.
It's so heavy that the door come back and hit you if you don't hold it.
Yeah.
Hit you hard. I'm not telling you that. What's the fastest I go around a corner?
Yeah,
Set me up. You try to set me up. I see you.
it's not a setup, it's just around a corner.
It's your last video.
That's so funny. Let me see how the video is doing as of this video.
At least you have a sense of humor.
Who said that?
Beverly. You said.
So the first one we did of you has 735 views now.
Wow.
And the one follow-up after has 119.
Okay, it's climbing.
Because what I did was I linked them together as a part one, part two. So whichever one they missed,
Yeah, go back and watch
someone watching, like they would,
smart.
yeah, you know.
Smart.
And YouTube knows that. Even before I put the link, YouTube is smart enough to realize like that's part two. It's together. It's pretty cool.
Most of the time, you see something like that, you're looking for it on the part.
Yeah. What the hell you honking me for?
Yeah.
You think I'm just waiting to enjoy the scenery or something?
Yeah. Look at this asshole knock the man down.
Exactly.
Look like they wanted something.
Bro, everybody look like they driving crazy right now. Look at this. Bro, good thing I have a head cam right now. This fuck. This shit. I think maybe on the way back I'll try and do a pull in this.
I'm mode in.
Hmm?
What mode you was driving in?
Right now I'm in Sport Plus. Started off in the default, which is comfort though. If you guys ever down here in South Florida, it's one of the best car washes, man. Alright, I'm trying to pick oh, that's my favorite spot too, right there. These bins look nice. Red interior. You ever been to one of these before, self-service car washers?
Here? Yeah. People.
Alright.
Pull up here.
Alright, boys. Give the X5 a wash.
You want to look at my head back 10 times.
We're gonna be cutting up in an X5.
Camera on.
Yeah.
Traction Sports. Plus.
Yep. That's how you know it's ready.
Ready,
I'm about to
like,
launch it. Lunch.
Lunch it, mom. What's that?
Yeah, we going. It had a little kick though, you know. Still faster than a lot of stuff on the road. Open up the window.
One time, boy, I think I couldn't do it on an X5.
Stay in your road, X5. Across the light would turn.
Blow up my brakes, please. We want to give the child a car with fully function. We don't want you to say to give it a car with some done up brakes. Oh my gosh. Right out the car and give it to me now. It's okay, come put it back. What's that?
What?
I got a problem. As I drive the vehicles for a little bit, I don't want them no more.
Like how long? That's a little bit.
I didn't have this a year.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're like me.
And I don't, it's like, you know, I don't want to be that way with people.
Because I love my M550, but it's like the year, as I feel like the year nearing by, the more I keep thinking about like something else.
Yeah.
And it's the same when I had the ZL1, same thing, right around like, well, it got total, but still like right around that mark, nearing the time, just like, yeah.
What I was doing
And that's
is, what I was doing is when the warranty finished, I could take them back and take another one. And my mom was saying that's a waste of money, that's a waste of, you know, but I'm like, the warranty's done. Who's gonna fix that?
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Trade it in. So every year I just tell myself this is a birthday gift to myself.
Yeah.
I trade my car every year, and that's what I was doing.
Hey, guys, my girlfriend is a real car person. Should she start her own YouTube channel? She's been thinking about it for she's thinking about doing one based on what she does for a living. But I'm like, damn, may as well make a car channel too. If you make a POV channel, a woman driving the car, boy, yeah, it'll blow up. I think I was telling you the other day, the women and cars right now is a big niche. You want to try it? Yeah. Start 2 channels. I forgot I was supposed to be cutting up.
Traffic. You can't even cut the traffic.
Man.
Going home. Fresh hour. On Saturday.
Yeah, this does not have enough power to cut up. Like you can't. I mean, you can, but it's like,
Come on, baby,
man.
do something. This is not our turn, you know. We got another one.
Yeah, I know.
We got another drive to drive.
But still, I'm not confident cutting up in this at all.
Ain't for you?
Look at those rims on that Lexus. Anything they look? Look kind of hard. Yeah. Look good.
Black. I think.
Cool.
Chrome.
Yeah. You can see black. On throttle. You heard that?
Yeah.
It had a little pop there in the shift.
Pop, it went pop.
Yeah, like hold on, listen to it again. You mostly hear it in the first shift, right? So just listen. Let's see. I don't know if you heard it. It's very subtle.
I've never hit my car sound like this.
Yeah, because you don't drive it in Sport Plus. Oh man, want to start rolling like.
I left all the change on the back.
Alright boys, that's gonna be the end of this video, man. Hope you appreciated the X5, yep, X5 POV drive. And the M550 will be back probably tomorrow. So see you guys in the next one. Let's go.